How to fix Xiaomi 15 text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on your notification sound. For turning on your notification sound, open settings. In settings, you can see the option sound and vibration. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on your notification sound. After turning on your notification sound, then go back to the main page of your settings and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that, and then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, open settings. In settings, click on apps and then click on manage apps. Now search here messages. Now click on messages and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your messages storage data. After clear the messages storage data, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.